Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can remove your not found URL. This is my Google Search Console page, and you can see the page indexing. Right now 33 indexed and not indexed 42, 5 reasons. So this is one of the reasons, not found 404. So how we can remove the 404, and we have already 4 pages over there, so click on that. So not found, so basically I removed this URL and also this one, so but it is still now it's in Search Console. That's why it's showing the 404 result. So I already removed these two links. So right now I'm going to show you how you can remove like this one. Okay, so just copy the URL, and you can see the left hand side bar removals. Just click on new request. There are 3 options over there: temporary removals, outdated content, then safe search filtering. So we just want to remove, so click on remove, and here you can see the temporary removals. So just block URL from Google search results for 6 months. Alright, so paste the URL over here and just select remove this URL only. Okay, and then click on next, and finally submit request. Submitting request, and here you can see this is the URL. Okay, so I've already removed this URL June 16, and right now July 15. Okay, so let's go back to the pages, and also then click on failed and ebook. Right now URL not found, so click on this and removal, new request, paste the URL, next, and then submit, and finally go back to the page. And right now we have already removed the 4 URLs, and validated started. You can see the failed. Okay, so we want to succeed this. So how can this see details? Okay, and now click on start new validation. Okay, so I think it will works. So click on start new validation. So Google will started. You can see the validation is started. Okay, and Google will recheck these pages, and it will not come up here. Then Google will check it's okay, and then it's really good for your website, because you must need to remove all the reasons over here. Okay, as much as you can. You can see it's discovered, currently not indexed, past, not available, started. Okay, so right now we have 33 pages that indexed. So if you want to visit our website, so just search one powerful tutorials. You will see our website. It's simply blog website where you can post different kind of tips and tricks on how to make money, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a business. It's basically tech and finance related, and AI, different kind of AI tools. Okay, so it's a brand new website we are starting, and let's see how it's work and how we can get results. Okay, so let's check the performance. Last 3 months total impressions, you can see slowly increased, and right now impression is very good. Okay, and average position, and these are the keywords we are getting results. That's mean the impressions and the positions you can hold. This is the YouTube से सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा कौन कमाता है. It's a Hindi keyword, and we are ranking 9.1. That's amazing. What is YouTube automation, advertising cost, different things. Okay guys, so if you love this content, so don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel, and if you have any queries, please comment below. Okay, so see you in the next video. Have a good day.